Have you ever started a project full of motivation, only to lose steam a few days later? Motivation can kickstart your journey, but it's self-discipline that keeps you going. In this video, we'll explore why self-discipline is the true key to personal growth and how you can develop it step by step. Let's start with why self-discipline matters more than motivation. Motivation is like a spark, it's exciting and powerful, but it fades quickly. Self-discipline, on the other hand, is the engine that keeps you moving forward, even when you don't feel like it. Think about it. Successful people aren't always motivated, but they are consistently disciplined. They show up every day, whether they feel like it or not. And that's what leads to long-term success. So, how can you build self-discipline in a way that's gradual and sustainable? Start small. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life overnight, focus on one habit at a time. For example, if you want to wake up earlier, set your alarm just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Once that becomes a habit, push it another 15 minutes. Small, consistent actions build the foundation of self-discipline. Another key is to create systems, not just goals. Goals tell you where you want to go, but systems are the steps that get you there. For instance, if your goal is to read more books, create a system where you read 10 pages every night before bed. Over time, these small, disciplined actions add up to significant progress. Finally, remember that self-discipline is a muscle. It gets stronger with practice. There will be days when you slip up, and that's okay. What matters is that you get back on track. Celebrate your small wins, stay consistent, and over time, you'll find that self-discipline becomes a natural part of your life. Self-discipline isn't about being perfect, it's about being persistent. When you prioritize discipline over motivation, you unlock the power to achieve your goals and transform your life. So, what's one small habit you can start building today? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. And remember, small steps lead to big changes. See you in the next video.